Hello and welcome back to a fresh made screencast. Today we're going to go ahead and introduce a quick way on how to get less into your WordPress project. If you recall, our last screencast was all about installing WordPress from the command line. So we're going to go ahead and use that same exact installation we did. There you go, a 2011 theme, nothing too different there from a default WordPress install. And it'll be a good starting block just to kind of show you how easily this can be done, and to keep in sync with the whole WordPress structure. I have another tab open here with a file from GitHub user Dimitri F, the elements.ls file, and it's really great. A bit of mix and C used for a project. So, and I'll include a link to that, obviously, in the post. Let's look at where we're at. Okay, we're in the 2011 theme. First, we're going to go ahead and grab that elements.ls file. You want to use the raw here if you want to, get the file directly. Okay, and elements.ls, great. We're also going to take our, copy our style.css to site.ls. I'll explain something about that here in a bit. Now, look at them, site.ls, style.css. Great. So let's go ahead and fire open our editor here. We've got the style page. We're going to actually take this top portion here. This is all we're going to need mostly from here. And then we'll add import URL site.css. You can actually compile less on the fly as you run, but the program I'm using from Incident 57 called the less app will compile it down to a CSS file for us. And I'll also include a link to that. Alright, so we save this. Fire that app open, I guess. Good. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Site.ls, elements.ls. We're in good shape. Now, if we come back here and look at this, since I haven't actually compiled that CSS file, we're going to see pretty much a base unstyled structure of the site. And there we go. Nice acorn there. Or not acorn, sorry, nice pine cone. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump back into our editor. First thing we'll want to do is open up our site.ls, and if we're going to take advantage of the mixins that we used, we'll want to import URL elements.ls. This is now those mixins will be available to us. Save that file, and all of a sudden you see down here, if you see right here, we've generated a CSS file basically. So now we come back here and hit refresh, and there we go. Same structure as we had before. Now let's quickly just do a little test here. I want to round some corners. Header or page. It's on the header we're going to do here, so look for header idea branding banner. Okay, it looks like branding is going to be what we're looking for. Branding. Okay, good. Now let's go ahead and look in the elements file and see. I want to go ahead and just round the top two corners. Check border radius. Going top right, bottom left, top left. Okay. See if this gets us what we're looking for. I want to go, let's say, 20 pixels. 20 pixels. Okay, and see if this gets us what we're looking for. Okay, great. But we still have a little bit of problem going on there. So the H group. Page one. Probably still just the header here. Okay, so page background white seems to be the culprit. What we can do real quick is on the page, actually take just that same guy. Okay, there we go. Okay, great. Pretty easy, right? Simple to explain. One quick thing you can do here from a maintenance standpoint is, I really don't like that blue. I really don't like that blue. Let's go ahead and assign everything with this color, and we'll call that link color. Replace all. And up at the top, gonna set a link color element. Color. See what that does here. Give us a kind of a maroon there, I think. There we go. So, of course, if you are into less, there's a ton of things you can do with that. And I imagine the implementation is going to be the same for Sass or Stylus or anything like that for WordPress. Basically, just kind of including. Now, just to backtrack real quick, the only reason why I left the style element as style and kept the tags and stuff here is just so that your backend administration panel can still recognize the theme. All right, that should do it for today. Thank you for watching.